Your app can't locate the AutoCAD Geometry 24.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. This DLL file is the Geometric Engine library for AutoCAD 2021. It provides the mathematical algorithms for calculating 3D geometry, curve intersections, and surface modeling required for precision engineering and design. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This error typically means a core application file is missing from the Autodesk AutoCAD installation path. Reinstalling the latest official version of Autodesk AutoCAD is the fastest way to restore the AutoCAD Geometry 24.dll and get the program running again. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A simple restart can resolve file and use errors that mimic a missing the AutoCAD Geometry 24 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like the AutoCAD Geometry 24.dll from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning the AutoCAD Geometry 24 related issues. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve your Autodesk AutoCAD dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.